Hey guys, going over Nvidia here, and Nvidia stock took a pretty significant hit today, dropping over 6% on the day, following the US government's decision to impose indefinite export restrictions on its H20 AI chip to China. Reading this article here, this move is projected to cost Nvidia approximately $5.5 billion in inventory, write-downs, and lost orders. The H20 chip here, I'm reading, tailored for the Chinese market under previous export constraints, was Nvidia's most advanced AI chip available to China. Despite being less powerful than the H100, it was widely adopted by Chinese tech giants like Tencent and ByteDance for AI inference tasks. In terms of the policy shift, initially there was speculation that Nvidia CEO Jensen engagement with Trump administration might avert the restrictions. However, the U.S. government has now mandated that Nvidia obtain a license for each H20 chip exported to China, with no clear timeline of approval. Market impact here. So analysts now predicting that Nvidia's revenue from China, which constituted about 10% of its total earnings last year, could dwindle to nearly zero. This is just a speculation, by the way, and a possible market impact. This development is also expected to accelerate China's investment in domestic AI chip production, benefiting companies like Huawei, which is a Chinese company. Strategic response. So in response, Nvidia has announced plans to invest in US-based AI infrastructure, including the construction of supercomputer factories, aligning with the current administration push for domestic manufacturing. And in terms of technical analysis, Nvidia stock is testing its 50-day moving average. A sustained break below this level could signal further downside, while holding about above may indicate resilience amid geopolitical pressures. Let's go ahead and take a look here for Nvidia's chart. So give me one moment here. I'm going to move on to the Webull chart here. This is the daily chart, and for me personally, in terms of a long-term investing point of view, I've been viewing 96 to about 117 as a dollar cost average entry point for me. This is where I've been dollar cost averaging. We did dip down below 96 here for about 3 trading days and got to a low of 86.62. This is where I also added about 15 shares right at $88. That's what I did for my personal long-term portfolio. And now, while it is possible that we may potentially move back down to these levels again, I am keeping cash on the side just in case if we do dip down below 96 again, getting ready for a potential add here for my Nvidia long-term portfolio. However, I still don't mind just dollar cost averaging over time, possibly every other week between $117 to $96. And long-term, I do expect to see this reversal back up to the 200-day moving average. That is going to be right around $126 per share. The all-time high is going to be at 153, and if you want to compare the current price here of 104 all the way back up to 153, it's pretty close to a 48 or 47% move back up to the all-time high. So let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments. Are you buying this dip here for Nvidia? Do you think this is going to be short-lived in terms of fear or a pullback? Do you think the overall market is going to recover, including Nvidia as well? So let us know what your thoughts are down below in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, let me know down below in the comments as well. Like and subscribe if you want to turn on notifications. I am making more videos here on Nvidia on a daily basis, and so if you don't have a community yet too, highly recommend joining our Discord, link down below in the description, as well as the QR code on the left side there for Discord. Lastly, if you're looking for live entries and exits on stocks and options, we do have multiple analysts sharing that in our Patreon. QR code on the left side there. Also, both links are going to be down below in the description of the video as well. Thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for Nvidia stock.